Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.1733 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.1557. 1.1916. The earlier day close, 1.1791. The change was 0.0058. 0.49%. Reverse rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, July 14, cost 1.15 rands, high 1.23, low 1.07. Dogecoin figure on Monday, July 17, cost 1.13 rands, high 1.21, low 1.05. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, July 18, cost 1.13 rands, high 1.21, low 1.05. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, July 19, cost 1.11 rands, high 1.19, low 1.03. In multi-week Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, July 20, cost 1.13 rands, high 1.21, low 1.05. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, July 21, cost 1.15 rands, high 1.23, low 1.07. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, July 24, cost 1.11 rands, high 1.19, low 1.03. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, July 25, cost 1.08 rands, high 1.16, low 1.00. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26, cost 1.09 rands, high 1.17, low 1.01. In about 14 days Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, July 27, cost 1.10 rands, high 1.18, low 1.02. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost 1.10 rands, high 1.18, low 1.02. Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, July 31, cost 1.13 rands, high 1.21, low 1.05. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost 1.18 rands, high 1.26, low 1.10. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, August 2, cost 1.21 rands, high 1.29, low 1.13. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost 1.17 rands, high 1.25, low 1.09. Dogecoin figure on Friday, August 4, cost 1.18 rands, high 1.26, low 1.10. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost 1.16 rands, high 1.24, low 1.08. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost 1.16 rands, high 1.24, low 1.08. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost 1.13 rands, high 1.21, low 1.05. In about a month Dogecoin figure on Thursday, August 10, cost 1.17 rands, high 1.25, low 1.09. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost 1.15 rands, high 1.23, low 1.07. Dogecoin figure on Monday, August 14, cost 1.20 rands, high 1.28, low 1.12. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.25 rands, exorbitant cost 1.37, while low cost 1.00. The found the middle value of cost 1.19. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.13, change for July 9.6%. Dogecoin estimate for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.13 rands, exorbitant cost 1.29, while low cost 1.00. The found the middle value of cost 1.13. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.08, change for August 4.4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.08 rands, exorbitant cost 1.08, while low cost 0.88. The found the middle value of cost 1.00. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 0.95, change for September 12.0%. Dogecoin estimate for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 0.95 rands, exorbitant cost 0.98. While low cost 0.86, the found the middle value of cost 0.93. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.92, change for October 3.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2023. In the first place cost at 0.92 rands, exorbitant cost 1.05, while low cost 0.91. The found the middle value of cost 0.97. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.98. Change for November 6.5%. Dogecoin gauge for December 2023. In the first place cost at 0.98 rands, exorbitant cost 0.98. While low cost 0.85. The found the middle value of cost 0.93. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.91. Change for December 7.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2024. In the first place cost at 0.91 rands, exorbitant cost 0.91, while low cost 0.76. The found the middle value of cost 0.85. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.82. Change for January 9.9%. Dogecoin gauge for February 2024. In the first place cost at 0.82 rands, exorbitant cost 1.02, while low cost 0.82. The found the middle value of cost 0.90. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.95, change for February 15.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for WOC 2024. To start with cost at 0.95 rands, exorbitant cost 1.04, while low cost 0.90. The found the middle value of cost 0.97. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.97, change for spring 2.1%. Dogecoin gauge for April 2024. To start with cost at 0.97 rands, exorbitant cost 1.06, while low cost 0.92. The found the middle value of cost 0.99. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.99. Change for April 2.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2024. At the outset cost at 0.99 rands, excessive cost 1.23, while low cost 0.99. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.09. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.15, change for May 16.2%. Dogecoin conjecture for June 2024. Before all else cost at 1.15 rands, excessive cost 1.32, while low cost 1.14. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.21. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.23, change for June 7.0%. Dogecoin cost